Are you having relationship problems? Do you know how long it will last? Did you know those past statistics have shown that in the US 50% of first marriages, 67% of second, and 73% of third marriages end in divorce? For years, most people have believed that 50% of marriages end in divorce. Sadly, that statistic can make people feel like their marriage is half over before it even starts, and unfortunately, that statistic may not be true for modern marriages. Do you want to save your marriage? Has marriage counseling worked? How about communication? Have you tried any other alternatives? Do you really want to save your marriage? If so, then I would like to recommend a solution. This solution has proven to be of great help. It has proven to mend many marriages and will mend many more. This solution is called Mend the Marriage. Mend the Marriage is a relationship counseling course and book constructed by a top expert life skill coach and marriage counselor. This course is all about rebuilding the bond with your spouse. Studies show that with this course, repairing your marriage will get a lot easier in little time. It will set you on the healing path quickly. After the course, things between you and your spouse will become a lot easier. Mend the Marriage is a comprehensive program that is intended to save your marriage. Through an informative guide, supportive videos, and related bonus material, you will be able to work towards a solution, avoiding divorce. The program is highly focused on a unique approach the author created called the ABCD system, which stands for: accept the situation, build resilience, commit to change, dedicate yourself to the task. The first two stages are considered to be the preparatory stage, and this is where you're provided with an abundance of information to make the changes. Those changes are found in the last two stages, which are actionable steps you can take to repair and rebuild your marriage. Additionally, Mend the Marriage covers all aspects of a marriage that seems like it's falling apart. Such as how you got to where you were today, what happened, where do you go from here, and more. It even provides specific chapters for couples who have children, who are in an abusive marriage, or who have had an affair, making it exceptionally versatile and relatable for all types of marriages. Additionally, Mend the Marriage covers all aspects of a marriage. Marriages which seems to be falling apart, and love which seems to be lost. Did you know that most marriages fall in and out of love? It's true, and most couples aren't aware of it. But Mend the Marriage brings awareness to and teaches you how to survive those types of marriage problems. This course comes with a book which is a marriage survival handbook for when the going gets tough. It is written with all types of married couples in mind, and it can be used by males or females to help with relationship issues. In this course, I am gonna give you sexual tools that will make your spouse simply melt in your hands like putty. If you want to make your spouse sexually addicted to you to where he or she couldn't imagine themselves with any other person, then this is a must-read. Discover how you can stop the consistent conflict in your marriage now, no matter how much you scream and argue with your spouse. Even if you can't spend a second with your spouse without feeling frustrated, angry, depressed, or that all hope is lost. This course has some strategies that you can employ and instantly make all that horror vanish. Register now and you will learn how to deal with any sort of marital crisis, how you can force your spouse to feel calmer and more willing to work things out. You will also learn anti-crisis techniques which will prevent you from ever experiencing marriage-ending issues again. If you will like to save your marriage, then click the link below this video and get Mend the Marriage today. Also, please click the subscribe button, like our video, share it, and leave a comment. Thank you for watching.